Hi, I'm Mary Beth Johnson, Chef de Cuisine, Executive Pastry Chef. Today we're making a chicken pita with a garlic mayo sauce. So it's really simple. I have the very similar ingredients if you've watched one of the other videos. We've got mayo, mayonnaise. You can use light, you can use regular, it's totally up to you. I've got some minced garlic and olive oil. I have chicken breast that I've diced up, and I also have cucumber. I also have cucumber and tomato that's minced, plus some feta cheese. The chicken I baked at 350 degrees in the oven with some Italian herbs, olive oil. I marinated it first, and then I baked it off. And for about 20-25 minutes, so you want to dice that chicken meat. We're working on the garlic mayo sauce. I'm taking the minced garlic, which is roughly a teaspoon of minced garlic, to a quarter of a cup of mayonnaise. We're going to mix this together. We want to take the pita. We want to spread some of the garlic mayo sauce. Then we want to take our stuffing ingredients, which are the tomato, cucumbers, and the chicken. So we're filling that right up. Then we want to add some feta cheese on top of Mary Beth Johnson.